fact, yung paglapit nila, nangyari yun bago nag-file ng complete affidavit si alias Totoy. Pero for the sake of transparency, at para klaro-klaro sa lahat, sinabi ko after a week. So there are two groups, and I repeat, huwag nyo na hong subukan. Totoo, the reason I mentioned it also, I felt very insulted. Ang sama ng loob ko. Kasi ano sa tingin nyo, nababayaran kami dito? Hindi kami nababayaran dito. Hindi nababayaran ang hustisya sa Pilipinas. May mga ahensya ng gobyerno na talagang titindig laban sa katiwalian. At isa na ang National Police Commission. Yung dalawang grupo, yung una, isang bossing ng sabong. Tumawag siya sa isang very close sa akin na tao. Napailing talaga ako nung kinausap ako nung taong yun. Kasi sobrang dikit sa akin ng tao yun. And it was done prior to the filing of alias Totoy. Posibleng parusa dito, ulitin ko, hindi ko pa nababasa to, and I'm not prejudging the case. But since these are grave offenses, ang lowest penalty for a grave offense is suspension. Ang middle penalty for grave offenses ay demotion. At ang pinakamalupit na parusa para sa grave offenses ay dismissal from the police service. And of course, for the future of all benefits.
So, linawin ko lang po, i-clarify ko lang po dito, there are two cases actually to be filed by our service, sa aming legal affairs services. Ito po ay yung against kay Police Colonel Jacinto Malinaw Jr. This is for grave misconduct, grave neglect of duty, at conduct unbecoming of a police officer. So, a separate case, formal charge, ang ipapile din namin against dun sa other 11 police officers headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Urapa. So, yung case po kay Police Lieutenant Colonel Urapa are for grave misconduct. Actually, 6 counts po ito at isang conduct unbecoming of a police officer. These cases will be docketed po ng aming legal affairs services. Sabi ko nga, I already mentioned that there are 12 police officer respondents, and out of them, 3 po ay police commission officers, at siyam po ay 9 commission officers. So ang aming pong respondents for na commission officers start with Police Colonel Malinaw Jr. We also have the respondents Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Urapa and Police Major Mark Almedilla. All others po are non-commissioned officers. So they are the following: Police Executive Master Sergeant Lagahit Cabillan, PCMS De La Cruz Jr., PSMS Encarnacion, PSMS Manrique, PSMS Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Munoz, Police Corporal Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Fulgencio. So all those names actually were already previously mentioned na din during sa initial filing of the cases and of the affidavit, of course, of Mr. Padinongan.